What if I told you that 100 million years ago, Earth was ruled by some of the most terrifying creatures ever to exist? Giant reptiles whose power and speed were unmatched. These were the dinosaurs. Imagine animals so large that they towered over buildings, with jaws so strong they could crush bones in an instant, and running speeds that could rival modern-day race cars, hitting 90 kilometers per hour. For over 170 million years, dinosaurs dominated the Earth. But then, in the blink of an eye in geological terms, they were wiped out. What caused this sudden and catastrophic extinction? And how did life on Earth change forever afterward? To answer this, let's go back to the time of the dinosaurs. The word dinosaur itself comes from the Greek words dinios and sauros, meaning terrible lizard. British scientist Richard Owen coined the term in 1841 after the first dinosaur fossils were discovered. Back then, the world had no clue what these creatures looked like, so early illustrations were far from accurate. Over time, as more than 10,000 dinosaur fossils were unearthed and more than 900 species were identified, our understanding grew. Today, paleontologists continue to make discoveries, with around 45 new species found each year. One particularly strange species, discovered in Chile, had a tail like a blade and a beak for a mouth. It was named Stegosaurus elengasson, showing that even now, we're still unlocking the secrets of these ancient rulers of Earth. The story of the dinosaurs begins around 230 to 240 million years ago, during the Triassic period. Earth looked very different then. All the continents we know today were fused together into a supercontinent called Pangaea, a massive landmass surrounded by a vast ocean. The climate was dry and arid, with little rainfall. This is when the first dinosaurs appeared. But they were not the towering giants we usually imagine. The dinosaurs of this period, like the Eoraptor, were relatively small, measuring only about 2 meters long. The dominant animals at the time were actually giant reptiles, many of which resembled today's turtles and crocodiles. Then, around 201 million years ago, something dramatic happened. The Triassic period ended with one of Earth's great mass extinction events. Volcanic eruptions split Pangaea apart, spewing carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide into the atmosphere. This caused extreme climate changes, including global warming and ocean acidification. Most cold-blooded reptiles couldn't survive the temperature fluctuations, but the warm-blooded dinosaurs did. And so, they began to thrive in the new Jurassic period that followed. If you've seen the Jurassic Park films, you're familiar with this name, but the real Jurassic period lasted from 201 million to 145 million years ago. It was during this time that dinosaurs grew in size and diversity. Some, like the Titanosaurus, reached massive sizes, weighing up to 15,000 kilograms and stretching over 15 meters long. The Jurassic period was also when dinosaurs began to evolve feathers and even take to the skies. Archaeopteryx, one of the first feathered dinosaurs, looked more like a bird than a reptile. But the golden age of dinosaurs didn't truly happen until the Cretaceous period. Starting around 145 million years ago, this period saw an explosion in dinosaur diversity. Iconic species like the T-Rex, Triceratops, and the massive Argentinosaurus ruled the Earth. The T-Rex, with its terrifying jaws and unmatched strength, became the apex predator of its time, reaching up to 40 feet long. Interestingly, the T-Rex didn't actually live during the Jurassic period, an irony considering its prominent role in the Jurassic Park films. But just as the dinosaurs seemed untouchable, their reign came to an abrupt and violent end 66 million years ago. A massive asteroid, roughly 10 to 15 kilometers in diameter, collided with Earth. It slammed into the Yucatan Peninsula in present-day Mexico at a speed of 30 kilometers per second, 150 times faster than a jet airliner. The impact was beyond catastrophic. It released energy equivalent to 100 trillion tons of TNT, which is 1 billion times more powerful than the atomic bombs dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. The collision instantly vaporized everything within thousands of kilometers. Temperatures skyrocketed, and forests ignited into wildfires that spread rapidly across the globe. Tsunamis reaching 2 kilometers in height crashed into coastlines. But the worst was yet to come. The dust thrown into the atmosphere blocked out the sun, plunging Earth into a nuclear winter. For a year, no sunlight reached the planet's surface. Temperatures dropped to freezing, and plants died out. Without plants, the herbivores starved. Without herbivores, the carnivores starved. And within a short period, the mighty dinosaurs were no more. More than 75% of all species on Earth went extinct, and the age of the dinosaurs ended. The crater left behind by the asteroid can still be seen today, hidden beneath the waters off the Yucatan Peninsula. Evidence of the event is found in a rare layer of iridium, a mineral common in asteroids but rare on Earth, which can be found in geological layers dating back 66 million years. But while the dinosaurs' end was catastrophic, it also paved the way for the rise of mammals and eventually humans. With the dinosaurs gone, smaller mammals, reptiles, and birds took over the Earth's ecosystems. Over millions of years, these animals evolved, filling the niches left by the dinosaurs. Among the survivors were small omnivores who could scavenge, including the ancestors of modern birds, descendants of the flying dinosaurs that survived the mass extinction. So, what would happen if an asteroid like that hit Earth today? Scientists are constantly tracking near-Earth asteroids, calculating their paths to ensure we aren't caught off guard. But one thing is certain: the dinosaurs' extinction reshaped life on Earth forever. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,